Let us talk about love. What is love? Love is a deep feeling of affection, care, and connection to someone or something. I have the six types of love. First, family love, the love of parents to children, siblings, or relatives. Family love is a deep bond of care, support, and loyalty among family members. It's about being there for each other, sharing joys and challenges, and feeling a sense of belonging. It's unconditional and often a source of strength and comfort. Next, romantic love. Romantic love, love between two people with feelings. Romantic love is a deep, passionate connection between two people, often involving attraction, affection, and a desire to share life together. It's a mix of emotional closeness, excitement, and commitment. Next, compassionate love. Strong friendship and love for a friend. Compassionate love is a deep, selfless care and empathy for others, focusing on their well being and happiness, often without expecting anything back. It's about kindness, understanding, and a desire to help. Next, self love. Loving oneself and taking care of one's well being. Self love is appreciating and caring for yourself, accepting your flaws, and prioritizing your own well being. It's about being kind to yourself and recognizing your worth. Fifth, spiritual love. Spiritual love, love for a higher power or spiritual connection. Spiritual love is a deep, transcendent connection that goes beyond physical or emotional bonds. It's often about feeling unity with others, the universe, or a higher power, embracing compassion, and seeing love as a universal force. It's about inner peace and connection to something greater. Six, and the last, unconditional love. Unconditional love, love without conditions or expectation. Unconditional love is loving someone fully, no matter what. No strings, no limits, no conditions. It's accepting flaws, mistakes, and everything in between, pure, steady, and selfless.